Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video. My YouTube channel is gonna be about squishies, so yeah, I love squishies. And let me just go grab them quick. They're seriously right next to me, so let's get started. So my first squishy is this Cutie Creative Bread. And there. Okay, so my first squishy is this Cutie Creative Bread. And sorry if you don't like the crinkly noise. So I don't really want to take this out because it got kind of defected, but I will for you guys. And this is my first YouTube video. I think I actually already said that. Yes, I did. I'm sorry about the crinkling noise. I lost a twist tie, so I had to put a hair binder over it. I've had this squishy for quite a bit. And my next, I will be trying to post a video every about Friday, maybe. Might not be able to, but every Friday and Sunday. So that's that one. Next one is this Eric cake, and it got messed up because I tried to repaint it because it got all messed up, and it's really bad now. But that's that one, and then that has that hole in it, which it came with. And I'll also be doing my homemade squishies. My next squishy is this duck bun from Silly Squishies I got. And the last two squishies I got off Amazon, if you were wondering. Here's a homemade squishy. And I will be posting a video on a few different days. On Monday, I will be posting a video. I'll be making the video on Monday because I have a squishy package coming on Monday. Then I have one coming on Friday, and then a bunch of other days next month because, yeah. So keep out the lookout for that. And the next squishy is this other homemade squishy. And then my next one is this defected panda bun. My next squishy is this one from Michaels, this cake roll. Oh, and I got the panda bun from Amazon as well. Most of my squishies are from Amazon. And I made a tag for this. Focus. There. And then it's a Fat Cat Crackling Cracker. So. And then the next one is this really creepy toast that's really dirty and gross. Yeah. Next squishy is this turtle, and if there's background noises, I'm sorry. I don't think there are, but if there are, then sorry about that. Oh, that's my turtle. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that there, but because this is seriously just my wall, there's some background noises. The water's on upstairs. So, oh, I got this one off of Amazon as well, and so did I on this turtle. Okay, so I have this stress squishy thing from Michaels, and I have this bun. It's not very slow rising at all, but it's a good stress reliever squishy. And then this one's really bad that I made. It's a heart, a circle heart. I don't know why I made it really, but yeah. There's this strawberry that I made. I've made a lot of squishies. Pretty much. This really bad one, balloon thing that I made. Here is a burger from Silly Squishies. So that one. Here is a cake that I tried to do good on, but I've kind of failed on this. But I keep it. There's this bread. which is also from Amazon. And let me just check one thing. I think I'll just say all the ones that I don't say what they are from Amazon, besides the homemade ones, obviously. So this one's from Silly Squishies, though, because I got a few of my squishies from Silly Squishies. Here's this bun. So, yeah. That's a donut thing. This one is from Michaels. This one is also from Michaels. And tomorrow I will be posting a video because I'm getting a squishy package then, and I will not be able to wait. So this what is up? Oh, this one has a drawing tape. So Peter Craig Girl Ava Squishy since 2017. It's really still rising, and I'm not gonna wait for that to rise because it takes forever, which is a good thing. And then this crusty thing, because that's before I got puffy paint, so I used a sponge and crusty gross paint. So I don't know why I really keep that. Then I have this panda. Then I have this bread. I have this popsicle. I don't even know what this is actually. But kind of matches my shirt. Not really, but sort of, I guess. Here is a, I don't know, pastry of some sort. Here's like a, I don't know, Kurokuma donut it's supposed to look like, I'm guessing, but I don't know. It's just a replica squishy. Here's a mini panda bun. And it's really dirty, but yeah. Here's another pastry. I've seen these, but I don't really know what they're called. Excuse me, I have a little tickle in my throat right now, so yeah. I have this cracker, squishy. I have this supposed to be sort of like eclair. I don't know. It's really bad, but it's rising. And this is my first squishy I ever got, so it's really defected. But yeah. Here's a piece of bread. Here is another bread, but it has a panda face. And I have this coconut shavings, and those of you that have this squishy maybe, you know that this is just very sheds the little styrofoam things. So I keep it in that bag so it doesn't get all over. And my next squishies are in a different bag. I don't know why I have them in a different one, but I do. So next one is this Hello Kitty waffle. This Hello Kitty donut. Mini Hello Kitty donut. This duck. This dumpling or steam bun. It's still rising. It takes forever. Here, I'll show you. Like that. I'm not gonna let this rise. This is gonna take forever. And this video is gonna be like 50 years long. This is a generic face bun. Here's this ice cream cone. I really like it. It's got some defects, it's dirty, but you know, live on the edge with your squishies, I guess. I don't know. I have this iBloom milk bottle. I have this tofu. This pot sticker or something. Okay, and I have this donut and one more squishy. Let me just pull it out. It's in my backpack. I just kept it in this croissant. So, yeah, that is it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you would like.